Comparison of fractions in this number system concept. So to find the ascending order or descending order, which is the bigger among the fractions. So those kind, how to do that in simple easy way. So the question is, which is the bigger among 7 by 8 and 9 by 10? So instead of taking LCM and making the same denominator, just you can observe these numbers. Take the first fraction numerator, multiply with second fraction denominator, 7 into 10. You multiply. Again take first fraction denominator with second fraction numerator. So 8 into 9. So 7 into 10 is the 70. 8 into 9. So 72 it is. So 70 is less than 72. So 72 is greater. So 72 greater means 9 by 10 is the bigger one. So in this question, so answer is 9 by 10. If two fractions are there, just you can take the first fraction numerator with multiply with second fraction denominator. Let me show you one more example. Then which is the greater among 13 by 15, 11 by 12. So instead of making the same denominator or doing division, just you can simplify 13 into 12, 156, 15 into 11, so 165. 156 is less. So obviously 13 by 15 is less. 11 by 12 is the greater. Okay, this is one. And more than two fractions and asking like arrange in ascending order, those type. Now let me show you one problem. Arrange in ascending order. So if they give fractions, to convert them into ascending order, take the question 3 by 7, 4 by 9, okay, 5 by 11, again 5 by 12, 8 by 15. So by seeing, we could not say directly which is a small. Ascending order is small to big. So simple technique is, we have two options. We need to take all the LCM of denominators and make the same denominator, or else we have to go for the divisions. There's the option. So division also, 3 divided by 7, 4 by 9 is lengthy. So first step, just you can keep the 0 beside every number. 3 by 7, no, just apply the 0, or just attach the 0 to every number. That means 30 by 7, 40 by 9, 50 by 11, 50 by 12 and 80 by 15. Just attach the 0 to every number, then it only can do the division. Division you can do up to one decimal place. 30 divided by 7. 7 times 4, 28.2. So you can do division up to one decimal place. 40 by 9, 4.4. 50 by 11, okay, 4.5 it is. Just normal division now. 50 by 12. 12 4s are 48. So more 2 carry, no? So 1. And 80 by 15, so 5.3. This is the method. No need of putting the 0, just imagine in mind and you can do the division of this. Okay. Now observe this, 4.2, 4.4, 4.5, 4.1, 5.3. Which is a small in this? So 4.1 is a small. So 5 by 11. So ascending order is therefore 5 by 12, 4.1. So which is small? So less than. Next small is 4.2, that means 3 divided by 7, less than. Next it is 4.4, so 4 by 9 is the less. Again 4.5, third number, 5 by 11, less than. Last one is 8 by 15. So this is the pattern or method you can apply to do any ascending order or else descending order. Just imagine 7, 9, okay, 7, 11, some we have the prime numbers. It's very difficult for the LCM. So you can apply the 0, attach the 0 and do division, get easily.